Hey guys, Justin Lobato here with Autogeek, and we are in Hayward, California at the P&S headquarters. So we're dealing directly with the manufacturer, the products, all of it, and of course, Sydney here as our guest to talk about the Playmaker all-in-one product. So Sydney, give me a little background on this product in regards to what it is and how it works and all the fun stuff with it.
Yeah, so Playmaker is a true all-in-one polish. So you're gonna use this when you are wanting to not only polish, but protect in one step. So it is a true one-step product. So it is gonna go on really nicely with a DA, you can use a forced action and foam pads, and you're just gonna get, moderate correction, and then you're gonna leave behind some protection for the customer.
Now, from what I understand, this has the ever so popular Bead Maker formula in it, or I should say the polymer that's in Bead Maker that gives the protection.
Yep.
So that's kind of works hand in hand with being able to actually put Bead Maker over it to give it that extra pop to say.
Yep. And that's actually my favorite thing to do, is to actually remove it with Bead Maker. So that's kind of a fun part of using it, is you can put it on and spray Bead Maker to remove it, and then you get even more Bead Maker. But yes, like you say, it is infused with Bead Maker. I
like that concept. I actually utilize the same kind of scenario, but instead, after we pull it off, if there's any residue or any light stuff that's just overlooked, we're able to wipe it down with Bead Maker to pick that up. And it's, again, two birds, one stone. So, but either way, whether you're wiping it off fully with Bead Maker to complement the protection or in regards to just finalizing it with Bead Maker. I think either way.
And that's actually a good part of the chemistry, is it's gonna work together. So because we know those same polymers are in the polish, that it is gonna work together really well to finish off with Bead Maker. So
now, on the protection side, yes, and then you have some, light abrasives in this formula that will allow for some correction or enhancement, we'll say. And that will help for somebody who is a first-time user of a polisher, of course by hand as well, but first-time user of a polisher, or getting their feet wet with being able to understand what that enhancement looks like. This is a great fit for that category.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. In certain markets there's a real need for kind of that quick, paint enhancement all in one step. And so it's a really great product to jump into that for.
I think that would be very suitable for a weekend warrior DIY, or even a beginner detailer that doesn't want to, maybe take the risk of heavy multiple step paint correction.
Yeah, and when I first became a detailer, I did all-in-one polishes for years because, you're learning how to use the polisher, you're learning about the different pads and things like that. So it is just a really safe, process in detailing to do. It's an all-in-one polish.
Well, there you have it, P&S Playmaker. This is a great all-in-one product for both categories in regards to a DIY and of course an entry-level professional looking for great results. For more information about the P&S line of products, visit autogeek.com.